Hello everyone, I am Kaushal Jadhav from IIT Kharagpur. My roll number is 20 EC319 and here I am presenting my third DIY project. For this, I have used a software called Proteus to simulate Arduino controller and circuits. Here, humidity and temperature sensor DHT22 is connected to Arduino controller. Coming to the source code, here appropriate header file dht.h has been included in the code. Coming to the main part of the code, here void setup function is used to initialize pin mode. Pin mode function is used to configure the specified pin to behave either as input or an output. Here pin number 13 is selected as output pin. It is followed by void loop function. The void loop function is used to specify the iterations. Delay function here specifies the time period in milliseconds for which the system should wait before executing next line of code. Here the system waits for 2 seconds before accepting and processing next input. After this delay, care is taken to check whether input operation has been successfully carried out or not. These statements here help in collecting and analyzing data from the sensor. The branch conditions based on input values from sensor are specified here. According to the condition satisfied, digital pin connected to LED is set high or low to make LED on or off. Delay function is used so that LED remains on for specified timing period. After LED turns off, the same loop is repeatedly executed unconditionally. For the demonstration purpose, I have selected temperature as 10 degrees Celsius and humidity as 19.8. As we can see here, the LED is glowing for 1 second and then it is turned off. This process is repeated again and again. On the virtual terminal in the Proteus software, we can see that the input which is received by the controller from the sensor is outputted on the virtual terminal. We can see the readings of humidity and temperature and the heat index. Coming to the next part, here I am going to generate a rectangular wave using an oscillator. Coming to the source code, here in the void loop function, I have written digital write and delay functions. The digital write function is used to set the pin number 13 high or low, and the delay function is used to specify the time interval for which the pin is on high or low. After writing the code, we have to build the project, and now after building the project, let us watch the simulation. As we can see here, the on and off time periods of the LED are controlled by the delay functions. The channel D of oscilloscope is connected to the pin 13th pin. Now let us see the oscilloscope. So as we can see here, the oscilloscope is reflecting the changes in the wave in the similar manner as LED was turning on and off. So this was all about the digital oscilloscope and the temperature and humidity sensor. Thank you for watching.